Looking for a powerful jump starter that won't let you down when your car battery does? Today, we're ranking 5 top-rated models from weakest to best to help you choose the right one. Kicking things off in 5th place, we've got the NOCO Boost GB40. It's compact, rugged, and one of the more well-known names in the portable jump starter game. But while it does the job for smaller engines, it simply doesn't have the muscle to go toe-to-toe with some of the newer, more powerful options out there. Now, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot to like here. It's safe, easy to use, and comes with reverse polarity and spark protection, which is perfect for anyone who's never used a jump starter before. It's also got a built-in 100 lumen LED light with 7 modes, and the IP65 water and dust resistant rating means it can handle a bit of rough use. If you're driving a sedan or compact SUV, this can be a decent choice. But compared to the other jump starters on this list, the GB40 falls short in a few big ways. The peak current is just 1000 amps, which means it might struggle with larger engines, especially diesel ones. The charging speed is also slower, and the battery capacity is the lowest among the 5. So if you need more juice, this probably isn't the one for you. This one's best suited for drivers of smaller vehicles who want something super easy to store in the glove box and aren't planning to use it in extreme situations. And hey, if you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find links to all of them with the best prices right down in the description. Coming in at number 4, we've got the AstroAI S8. It's lighter, a bit more modern looking, and brings more power to the table compared to the NOCO GB40. At 1500 amps of peak current, it has just enough kick to get most mid-sized vehicles up and running without much trouble. This one really shines in terms of portability. It weighs under a pound. Seriously, it's one of the lightest in the lineup, and it's packed with safety features. Reverse polarity protection, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, it's all there. Plus you get 2 USB ports and a 3-mode flashlight, which is always nice to have in your emergency kit. But the cables, they're short, and there are no rubber covers on the USB ports, which makes me question how durable it'll be in long-term use or rough weather. It also doesn't hold up quite as well in freezing temperatures. Something to keep in mind if you live up north. If you need something basic, lightweight, and just enough for occasional use, the AstroAI S8 might be all you need. And by the way, if you're finding this video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss the next one. Taking the number 3 spot is the Powrun P-ONE. This one steps things up in a big way, offering a solid blend of power, features, and ruggedness. With a 2000 amp peak current, it's got enough juice to handle most cars, and even light trucks and SUVs. It's not just strong, it's smart. The P-ONE includes an LCD screen to keep track of battery status, and features a handy boost mode for when your battery is really dead. The jump starter is IP65 rated for water and dust resistance, making it a solid choice for off-roaders or those who just like to be prepared. The main downside? It's heavy. At 2.7 pounds, it's the bulkiest of the bunch. And while it does include a USB-C port, it only charges at about 15 watts, which is a bit underwhelming considering the rest of the package. Still, if you're looking for something tough, reliable, and well-equipped for emergencies, the Powrun P-ONE is a great choice for everyday drivers and road trippers alike. Runner-up on our list is the ZEVZO ET03. This one impressed me with its balance of power, safety, and smart design. With 2500 amps of peak power, it can handle big engines and jump start up to 50 times on a single charge. The display is easy to read, the flashlight is bright at 400 lumens, and the safety protections, top tier. You get 10 layers of intelligent safety, so you can't really mess it up even if you tried. It also holds a charge for up to 2 years, which is awesome if you just want to set it and forget it in your trunk. Now, the USB ports could have been better. It lacks high-speed charging options for your devices, and the cold weather performance isn't ideal. It only kicks in reliably around 14 degrees Fahrenheit and up. This is a great option if you want serious power without stepping into the premium price range. Ideal for commuters and families with multiple vehicles. And taking the crown at number 1, it's the Scatach COCY-011. This beast delivers a whopping 3000 amps of peak current and handles up to 9-liter gas and 7-liter diesel engines with ease. If raw starting power is what you're after, this is where you stop looking. It's surprisingly compact for something so powerful, and it comes loaded with safety protections and all the must-have accessories, including a storage case and jumper cables. It also features a bright flashlight with multiple modes, which is a staple at this point. Where it falls a little short is in the battery capacity. It's not the largest, and the product doesn't offer a lot of details on its USB charging capabilities. But unless you're planning to use this mainly as a power bank, that's not a huge issue. Bottom line, if you drive a truck, SUV, or just want the peace of mind that you can handle any battery emergency, the Scatach COCY-011 is the one to beat. Alright, that wraps up our ranked review of 5 top jump starters. If you want to check out any of these for yourself, we've got links to the best prices down in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more gear reviews just like this.